Hi everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. My name is Kathy Jarvis, and we are in the week between Christmas and New Year's. And it's been a busy week, like most people, with Christmas and everything. We celebrated Christmas on Saturday because our oldest son had to work on Christmas. And so Saturday it was. He came down in the afternoon, spent the night, so he was here Sunday. And we had our Christmas dinner and opened the presents on Saturday night.
Many Christmases ago, I went to buy a doll for my son. I reached for the last one they had, but so did
And then we skipped church on Sunday morning, and we were busy making preparations for the Christmas party that we had on Christmas Eve. And we went up to Indianapolis and met with the extended family for Christmas Eve, a pitch-in dinner, and just talk and have fun and see each other, socialize. And we did that, and then on Christmas Day we actually just kind of relaxed at home. It was just my husband, myself, and our middle son, who stayed the whole week, and it was always nice to have him home. And we didn't do anything particular special on Christmas Day. I worked on the garden plan and towards the seeds, and found out what seeds I needed and started working on ordering seeds. And my intention was just to put everything into the so-called shopping carts online and order it 1st of January. But when I was getting ready to exit, it came up and gave me a 25% Christmas Day special. So I went ahead and ordered the seeds. So all my seeds are ordered. I hope all my seeds are ordered. I hope I don't find anything that I need later. But I got my garden plan all sketched out and everything, and realized I needed a couple more things. So I went to Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday I finalized the order of different things I would need for the garden, hopefully, and ordered those from Amazon. So I got all my seeds ordered, all the trellises ordered that I think I need, and the row covers all are ordered or have arrived. So I think I have everything I need. I think. Who knows? And Wednesday I had a touch of a sore throat, and so I kind of just took it easy. My husband went to the gym, and Doug had to work, so he was up in his room working remotely. And I did take the dog out. She had a lot of trouble, has had a lot of trouble this week walking, and found some more of those white sores on her rear. Now she's been dry, so I don't know what's causing them, but anyway, I treated those, and she's having an awful hard time walking. And I left her out in the sun while I was removing some of the dead plants that she walks into. The yucca plants have fallen over, and I should have taken those out last fall, but I hadn't got around to it, so I took those out. And I was getting ready to move those rocks that she hooks on, rows over with the wheelchair and dumps the wheelchair. and she came over and she fell and she hit her head. And she's okay as far as her head and stuff, but she did damage her ear. So she has a hematoma, I think, or wherever, it's where the blood collects in the ear. She has that, so I treated that with ice. Nothing dangerous. I've had that before on a lot of animals. Like I said, we've had that before in other animals, and I've taken them to the vet, and the vet said nothing they could really do about it. Put some ice on it for a couple of days, and then follow up with warm compresses. So I put ice on it and stopped the swelling, and her ear still lays, instead of going up, it kind of lays down. And there's a little swelling, where, not really swelling, it's where the blood's filled up the area. So there's no reason to take her to the vet for it. It's just because they could drain it, but the vet last time didn't want to drain any of the other animals I had taken over there. So I figured it'd be the same this time. So I'm just putting ice on it for a couple of days, and then I'll follow that with heat. So hopefully, she was very snappy when I first put the ice on, but by the time it got iced down a little bit, she was happier. And today, the next day she let me touch it without any problem, and so it's getting better. So that's where we stand on her. Like I said, she's still having trouble walking. We've had to use the chair quite a bit this past week. She's eating, not great, but she's eating. She likes people food, meat, and any cookie crumbs that she can find. You can grab a cookie and she's, really, for me? Okay. Yeah. So we did that. Thursday, he went to town and checked the mail and stuff, and I stayed home. Douglas worked again. And Thursday, I had a touch of a sore throat, so I didn't really do much. Did fix food for everybody. I've been doing that all week. And just kind of took it easy a little bit. Did that Thursday and also on Friday. So, kind of not quite as busy as usual the latter part of the week, and super busy the first part of the week. So, hopefully you had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a wonderful New Year. And remember, dream big and follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.